Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome back. I am glad you are continuing this journey of self-discovery and personal growth. Each episode of this workshop is designed to take you one step closer to understanding yourself better, strengthening your mindset, and unlocking the potential that already exists within you. Remember, personal development is not an overnight change. It is a continuous process of reflection, learning, discipline, and conscious improvement. As you watch this episode, I invite you to listen not only with your ears, but with your mind and your heart. Think about your own life, your habits, your fears, your strengths, and your dreams. Because real transformation begins when learning turns into self-awareness, and self-awareness turns into action. Let's continue this journey together. Welcome to today's episode of Discover Yourself. Unlock your hidden potential. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The Personal Development Academy, and we are in the first workshop, Self-Awareness and Personal Growth. Discover yourself, unlock your hidden potential, understand who you are, lead who you can be. And today is the second episode. Self-awareness is knowing what is happening inside you and why. Self-awareness is the ability to understand your thoughts, emotions, motives, and patterns. Self-awareness turns confusion into clarity and reaction into response. There's external awareness, and it means how others see and experience you. And there is internal awareness, which means values, strengths, weaknesses, and triggers. Internal awareness is knowing yourself and understanding your triggers. Someone who has internal awareness has a good grasp of their emotions and thoughts. They are aware of both their strengths and weaknesses. They can navigate their inner landscape because they know the reasons behind their behavior. People with internal awareness understand their feelings emotions, and moods, and the impact they have on their act. For example, if someone is procrastinating on a project, they would be internally aware if they understand the reasons behind the procrastination. If an executive is putting off working on a project that he knows will require deep work, where all distractions are eliminated, yet does not schedule the time on his calendar to work on it, he understands that a lack of time and commitment is causing him to procrastinate. His internal awareness is able to identify the issue, so now he needs to block off time on his calendar to get the work done. And coming to the external awareness is being able to observe others and understand how your actions impact them. We often call this skill the ability to read the room. This have external self-awareness, and let me know, have external self-awareness, you understand how others see you and are more likely to show empathy and take into consideration other people's perspectives. The same study showed that leaders who understood how their employees see them tend to have better relationships with those employees. We have all been in a meeting where someone gets upset and the mood shifts. Someone who has external self-awareness will feel the energy changing in the room and attempt to diffuse the situation. So this is the gross difference between external awareness and internal awareness. Why self-awareness matters? Self-awareness is linked to higher confidence, better relationships, stronger leadership, clearer goals, and higher emotional intelligence. If you know your triggers, if you know your stress triggers, you can manage them instead of exploding. Self-awareness means better decisions and better results. As we come to the end of today's session, I want you to pause for a moment and reflect on one simple question. What did I learn today about myself? Because real learning does not end with listening. It begins when you apply these ideas in your daily life. Remember, personal development is not about perfection. It is about progress, small changes Repeated daily create extraordinary transformation. Take today's message with you. Observe your thoughts. Improve one habit. Strengthen one quality. And take one step closer to your true potential. In our next episode, we will continue exploring deeper dimensions of self-awareness, mindset, and inner strength. Until then, believe in yourself, stay committed to your growth, and never stop becoming better than you were yesterday. Thank you for joining me. This is Professor Javed Iqbal FAROOQI, and this was the second episode of Discover Yourself, Unlock Your Hidden Potential. Take care. Khuda Hafiz.